Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. There are quite a lot of new subscribers in the last month or so. I'm up to 204, so thanks to all new and all subscribers for supporting the channel. Very much appreciate it. Right, what we're going to do today, I'm going to clear an area that I think was a compost heap before. I didn't want to do it in the winter because I've got slow worms and stuff and things are hibernating, so I really didn't want to disturb anything. So I've got that today. I'm going to probably turn that into a no dig bed. So I've got a courgette in there, only grew one, and I actually thought I'd broke it when it was in the pot, but it came on. I've stuck it in, bit of bird protection there. Some of the beetroot's taken in there. This was a new bed this year, and I got off to a bit of a slow start, so the kind of fruit area, that fig tree, that'll be getting repotted when everything dies away. Got a nice wee bit of growth on there, see? That lemon balm, scotched that when I was burning stuff the other week. The raspberry plants that I put into pots, they're starting to get flowers on them and buds, so I might get a bit out of that. That's the bin for burning, that's just a load of weeds. And this one, I stuck in some more beetroot. I don't think there's any show in that yet. No. Rhubarb I put in last year. It's got another year to, and I'll be picking it next year. Garlic, still looking alright. In a couple of weeks and I'll be harvesting it. Potato I put in buckets. That's rocket and swift in that one, so that's coming on. Pond, I think I've got some tadpoles. There's Mr. Robin came to say hello. Whenever there's work going on, they're hanging about waiting to see what they can get. So I've got beetroot there, that's fairly sprouted up. We had a bit of rain last night, so that always helps. one lady die runner bean, but I've got another 2 in there as backup. I've stuck in, I think, 3 seeds. Only one germinated. Same on this side. Got that one, that come up, the slugs attacked it, and it's ground again, but yeah, that should be alright. The broad beans in here, got 1, 2, 5 have come up. That's twice I've planted this area with broad beans. I done them last year in October time to overwinter. They started coming and then they just died off. And it wasn't even really a harsh winter. Look at their lovely flowers on the first earlies. So I've got these ones here are Rocket. They seem to have done the best. I had Rocket and Swift, and they've again, what I got out the 2 buckets that I've harvested already. The Rocket ones, which are these. As you can see the difference, these are the Swift ones. They're all planted at the same time, but the Rocket seems to rocket. Autumn Champion onions, I think they're going to be whoppers. Hopefully we don't get any onion rot. White rot, isn't it? And so they're still coming well. Apples are starting to form nicely. And we've got, and here that's chard. Never tried it. Had some seeds for last year, so I thought, well, I'll give it a blast. Don't know what it tastes like. Autumn Champions in there. I wasn't expecting them to taste so good because this area doesn't get a lot of sun because we've got the trees up there, but they're still looking okay. Rest of the garlic, I've already had scapes off of this, and as you can see, I might even harvest this next week, we'll see. And the compost, I'm going to be topping that up today. That's maintaining a decent temperature. You can see that. I'd like to get it hotter, but it's still alright. So I've got some leaf mould, leaves in there underneath that after pollen. So I'll stick some of them in, and some grass cuttings there. Kelvin windows. And some air beetroot. Let's see what's happening in the polytunnel. Sun gold tomato that's sprouting up. Same as that one, it's a Shirley tomato. That's all I'm doing with tomatoes this year because I had a bit of a failure with the crop. That's all spring onions in there. I don't really have much luck with spring onions, but fingers crossed, there's a load of them showing, so I'm just going to let them do their thing. Leeks in here. That was oregano, but a bit of a disaster. Done 2 sowings of it, and no show. I don't know if I've overwatered it or we had dud seeds. Butternut squash, bit to go, and then that'll be going out. That's my backup runner beans, just them 2 there. Sweet corn, like I say, everything went in late, but I put sweet corn in late last year, so I've had a good show in that. I've had only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 no shows. It's not bad. Out of 16, so we hopefully get 11 of them. We've got a wee bit to go before we're putting them out. We'll give them a week or 2. Anyway folks, I hope that was interesting. And I'll wrap that one up for there. Happy gardening week. Hope everybody's having major success, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.